Lesson 3, The Little Girl. Lesson 3, The Little Girl. Today is the first day of this lesson. I am going to start The Little Girl. देखो, little girl is noun, little is adjective, and the is determiner, definite determiner. So the word is the word is indicating that narrator, particularly you can say the story writer, is going to narrate about a specific girl. कोई एक विशेष लड़की के अ लिटिल गर्ल नहीं कह रहा है, द लिटिल गर्ल कह रहा है। अ लिटिल गर्ल का मतलब हो जाएगा एनी, कोई भी, जो भी छोटी बच्ची है सब पे वो बात लागू होती है। और द लिटिल गर्ल का मतलब एक पार्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक गर्ल with whom something special specifically is going to be happen or being happening taking place. Okay, the little girl. To the little girl he was a figure to be feared and avoided. To the little girl, to means go for. The little girl, he was a figure, that is the shape, symbol, to be feared and avoided. Feared means the source of the fear, and avoided means anyhow that little kid wanted to avoid, wanted to be away from him. And who was he and him? In further lines we shall come to know. यानी ये लाइन कह रहे कि उस बच्ची के लिए, जो पार्टिकुलरली जिसके बारे में नरेटर बात कर रहे हैं, लिटिल गर्ल के बारे में, वह बच्ची जो है एक व्यक्ति ऐसा था जिससे बहुत डरती थी और दूर रहना चाहती थी। इसलिए जब भी बच्ची वह उसे देखती तब वह उससे बचने का और भागने का प्रयास करती। बेटा प्रदीप, हु इज प्रदीप? साइलेंट योर मिक। So every morning before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss. The person with whom that girl was fearing terribly, and more than this, she tried to avoid him being present before his. वह बच्ची उस व्यक्ति से हमेशा डरा करती थी। भरसक वह प्रयास करती थी कि उससे मैं दूर रहूं, उनके सामने न जाऊं। But what happened that the person with whom that little kid was trying to be avoided, that person usually what did? He used to go into her room when she was sleeping in the morning, and first of all he used to kiss her and then set far to his office. यानी वह व्यक्ति जो ऑफिस अपने जाने से पहले उस बच्ची को डेली उसके रूम में जाता जब वह सुबह में सो रही होती थी, और उसके बाद उसे किस करता, प्यार दुलार करता, और उसके बाद वो वहां से ऑफिस को जाता। लेकिन फिर भी वह बच्ची उस व्यक्ति को अवॉइड करती, उससे बचने का प्रयास करती, उससे डरा करती थी। अब देखो ये जो लाइन आपने पढ़ा कि सुबह सोती रहती थी बच्ची, तभी वह व्यक्ति जाता था, किस करता था, फिर ऑफिस जाता था। तो तैसी बात है कि दैट पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू किस दैट लिटिल किड, ही मस्ट हैव बीन द फादर ऑफ दैट किड। वह जरूर ही व्यक्ति उस बच्ची का पापा रहा होगा, क्योंकि वही रूम में बच्चे के जाएगा, उसे किस करेगा डेली, और उसके बाद ऑफिस जाएगा। सो व्हाट कंक्लूजन केम आउट? दैट little kid feared and tried to avoid to her father. So her casual kiss, to which she responded with goodbye father, means when her father before going to office used to enter into the room of that little kid, and by going there he used to kiss that girl, and in response of kissing from the side of father, that little kid used to say goodbye papa, bye papa, take care papa, see you papa. And oh, there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. Fainter and fainter, F-A-I-N-T, faint होता है। faint means weak, कमजोर। फैंटर, फैंट, फैंटर, फैंटर, सॉरी फैंट, फैंटर, मोर फैंटर, मोस्ट फैंटर। लेकिन चूंकि यहाँ पे फैंटर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री केवल यूज किया गया है, तो फैंटर एंड फैंटर मीन्स दूर जाती हुई, आवाज हल्की होती हुई, मीन्स व्हेन हर फादर स्टार्टेड his carriage, that is the bike or four wheeler, whatever might be there with him, in possession of him, and when little kid used to hear the voice of the vehicle being fainting मीन्स एकदम हल्की हल्की आवाज, जैसे जैसे गाड़ी दूर जाती थी उसकी आवाज हल्की होती जाती थी चलने की, and thus hearing the fainter and fainter voice of the vehicle, that little kid realized very happy, because then her fear got removed from her heart. उसके पापा जब उसे किस करने के बाद जब जाते तो वो बच्ची ध्यान से उस गाड़ी की आवाज सुनती, और जैसे जैसे आवाज उस गाड़ी की स्लो होती, यानी उसे लगता है कि नहीं गाड़ी दूर से दूर होती जा रही है, मीन्स पापा अपने ऑफिस की तरफ चले जा रहे हैं, वह बच्ची बहुत खुश होती, बहुत हैप्पी होती, क्योंकि वह उनसे डरा करती थी, उनसे फियरफुल रहा करती थी। वह नहीं चाहती थी कि पापा घर पर रहें, क्योंकि रहेंगे तो मुझे डर होगा, डांट फटकार पड़ेगी, मेरी पिटाई होगी। In the evening when he came home, she stood near the staircase. A staircase means you know very well, Sindhi means at the time of evening when her father returned to home, used to be at home. She means that little kid used to stand just by the staircase. By the staircase means सीढ़ियों के बगल में, and heard his loud voice in the hall, bring my tea into the drawing room, has not the paper come yet? Mother, go and see if my papers out there, and bring me my slippers. Slipper means chappal. So that little kid, when her father returned back to home from office, that little kid used to stand by the side of the staircase, and she used to hear that how her father used to command the each and every member of the family in the loud voice for in the demand of his slipper, newspaper, and other belongings according to needs and necessities of his. वह बच्ची सीढ़ियों के पास खड़ा होकर के सुना करती कि कैसे उसके पापा आदेश भरे लहजे में जोर जोर से चिल्लाकर कभी चप्पल मांगते, कभी टॉवल मांगते, कभी न्यूज़पेपर मांगते, और इस तरह से he behaved rudely with each and every member unknowingly. And more than this, sometimes in next lines you will come to read that how he used to beat this little kid, and what was the name of this little kid, soon we shall read. Kezia, soon. Mother would call to her, means what was the name of little kid girl? Kezia. Mother would call her to her, if you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots. Take off, put off, इस रिमूव, इन सब का मतलब होता है उतारना, कपड़े उतारना, जूते उतारना. सो हर मदर मीन्स केजियाज मदर यूज्ड टू सजेस्ट हर दैट इफ शी वाज गुड गर्ल, देन शी मस्ट गो near to her father and put off the boots, or you can say in your word shoes, from the feet of the father. Slowly the girl would slip down the stairs. Slip down means come slowly, very slowly, because she was fearing also from her father. Slip down the stairs more slowly, still across the hall, and push open the drawing room door. Slowly, anyhow, by crossing the hall and the door, she reached near to her father for the purpose of putting off the boots from his feet. By that time, by का यहाँ मतलब होता है तक. By that time, उस समय तक, he had his spectacles on and looked at her over them. He had his spectacles on. Spectacles on का मतलब होता है to put on spectacles, यानी इस समय मैं spectacles on हूँ, यानी मैं चश्मे लगाए हुआ हूँ. That is called spectacle on. Means up to when Kezia used to go near to father to put off his boots, up to that time What did father do? Father put on his spectacles on his eyes. अपने आंखों पे वो चश्मे लगा लिए होते थे. And started to gaze at the Kezia seriously. Spread on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. And he used to gaze at that child in such way that it was causing fear in the heart and mind of that little kid. Means due to the gazing at that kid started to realize fear in her heart. Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots. देखो pull off, put off, remove and और एक क्या है pull off. इन सब का मतलब होता है take off. इन सब का मतलब होता है उतारना. Pull off. So well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? And when Kezia went near to her father, he ordered her by a praising word well to put off or pull out the shoes from her feet. And further, he inquired whether she had been good girl for whole day long. मीन्स वो कहते कि क्या तुम पूरे दिन कोई बदमाशी नहीं की, तुम एक अच्छे बच्चे की तरह रही. I don't know father. Don't. It is showing this word, showing the hesitation and fear of that little girl. वो कहते हैं don't मीन्स मैं नहीं जानती. मीन्स anyhow that girl was yet realizing the great psychological terrible and pressure in her mind and heart due to the fear of his father. You don't know if you stutter like that, mother will have to take you to the doctor. And then father made laugh at that child or make fun with that child, that if you or if that child would continue keep stumble in speaking in this way, then her mother would carry that child to the doctor. वो कहते कि अगर ऐसे ही तुम लड़खड़ाती रहोगी, जबान डड करती रहोगी, तो तुम्हारी मम्मी एक दिन जरूर तुम्हें डॉक्टर के पास लेकर के चली जाएंगी. You would be carried by your mother to the doctor. She never stuttered with open other people. Stutter, sorry, stutter. Stutter means होता है again to stumble, हकलाना, बोलने में हिचकिचाना. So कहते she never stuttered with other people. Storyteller writing that Kezia did not use to be in stuttering position with others. दूसरों के सामने केजिया लड़खड़ाती नहीं थी बोलने में. Had quite given it up. वह पूरी तरह से इसे छोड़ दिया था, हकलाना. But only with father, because then she was trying so hard to say the words properly. She used to stutter only before her father due to the fear. What's the matter? What are you looking so wretched about? WRETCH. Wretch means होता है दीन, हीन, अभागा, एकदम दुश्चिंता, दुख दर्द में, प्रेशर में, विपत्ति में पड़ा हुआ. The person who is suffering the great calamity over and on his body and mental and psychological pressure. That is called wretch. Wretched, past form of the wretch. So father used to ask what was going on with her. What did she realize in her heart and mind so that she was stuttering. वो कहता है कि क्या ऐसे तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम है, क्या ऐसी रेच भागन हो गई हो, क्या ऐसा दुख दर्द तुम्हें आ गया है जो तुम इतना हकला रही हो, तुम्हें क्या प्रॉब्लम है. I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide. सुसाइड में आत्महत्या, ब्रिंक में होता है एज, किनारा, बैंक. तो नदी वगैरह के लिए बैंक होता है, ब्रिंक का मतलब ही किनारा होता है, पत्थर वगैरह चट्टानों के लिए होता है. तो चूंकि सुसाइड जो है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन है, लेकिन नरेटर अपनी लैंग्वेज को सुंदर बनाने के लिए इस चीज को क्या है, ब्रिंक ऑफ सुसाइड का मतलब है सुसाइड के कगार पर, एकदम सुसाइड ही करने वाला. मीन्स नरेटर आस्क्ड विथ the father of little kid asked to his mother, means father's mother, who was the grandmother of the Kezia, not mother of the Kezia. क्योंकि जो केजिया की मम्मी है वो तो इसकी वाइफ होगी पापा की, लेकिन अपने जो पापा थे बच्ची के, वो अपने मदर से यानी केजिया की दादी से कहते हैं कि मदर, anyhow you must try to avoid this girl from being on the edge of the suicide. means mother, anyhow you make this child cheerful happy. जब देखो उदास रहते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि एकदम मृत्यु के कगार पे, आत्महत्या के कगार पे है। और इस तरह से वह जो है बार बार अपनी माँ को कहते, and that was sole purpose only to make laugh, to make fun with that little kid. Suicide. Here Kezia carry my teacup back to the table carefully. Further he ordered to Kezia to bring the teacup for him. He was so big, his hands and his neck. Means the father of the Kezia was of very long height, and of hands, necks were also of long size. Especially his mouth when he yawned. YAWN. Yawn means होता है जम्हाई लेना, जो आप मुंह बागा करते हो ना, that is called जम्हाई लेना. यार्न जम्हाई लेना, उबकाई लेना. So whenever he used to take yawn, then her wide opened mouth was so fearful, seemed so fearful to that kid girl that she got fear. Thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. GIANT. Giant means होता है भूत, प्रेत, शैतान, राक्षस, दानव. You can say of huge personality. So whenever Kezia used to think about her father, she got shivered because his size was like a giant size for her. उसके लिए उसके पापा का इतना हैवी शरीर, एक दानव का शरीर होता था, वो देख के डर जाते थे. ऊपर से पापा इतना स्ट्रिक्ट रहते थे उसकी तरफ कि फिर क्या कहना. On Sunday afternoons, means on the day of Sunday, that is the holiday, and after on that day after afternoon, means दोपहर बाद, grandmother sent her down to the driving room to have a nice talk with father and mother. संडे के दिन चूंकि छुट्टी का दिन होता, मदर फादर दोनों बिजी होते, बिकॉज बोथ वेयर जॉब सीकर्स ना, जॉबफुल पर्सन, एम्प्लॉय. सो on the day of Sunday, when they used to become on home due to leave, then the Kejia's grandmother used to send that little kid to her parents to talk, to communicate with them, so that her fear towards them might get removed. संडे के दिन जब मम्मी पापा, छोटे बच्चों की दोनों मम्मी पापा जॉब करते थे, इसलिए ग्रैंड मदर देखभाल करती थी. लेकिन चूंकि संडे के दिन छुट्टी के का दिन होता था, दोनों घर पे होते थे, तो ग्रैंड मदर क्या था कि केजिया को मम्मी पापा के पास भेज दिया करते थे कि जाओ और मम्मी पापा से बात करो, उनसे घुलो मिलो, ताकि तुम्हारा डर भय निकले. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa. But when that little kid used to go near them on the Sunday afternoon, then what did she find? She found that her father and mother were busy in something extra activity, another activity. And what type of that activity was that? Father used to stretch, STRET, stretch means फैलना, एकदम हाथ पर टांग फैलाकर सोना, like this on the sofa. And her mother, by sitting on the sofa, used to read द न्यूज़पेपर. अक्सर यूज्ड टू का मतलब होता है, जहां भी मैं यूज कर रहा हूं, ये हैबिट को शो करता है कि उनका ये रूटीन होता था, ऐसे ऐसे होता था. तो वही वो कह रही है कि जब वो बच्ची जाती उनके पास, तो वो देखने की अक्सर क्या करते, हर छुट्टी के दिन पापा आराम से सोफे पे सो जाते, अपने माउथ पे हैंकी रख के, रुमाल रख के, और मम्मी जो थी सोफे पे बैठकर न्यूज़पेपर में बिजी रहती. मीन्स दे बोथ वेयर नॉट बॉदर्ड अबाउट दैट लिटिल किड, though they both were not bothered about that little child, her future. Only they knew that if they would hand over her to servant, to the grandmother and servant, and to the school, then she would develop incomplete personality. But that was the misunderstanding from the side of them, and both were busy in their job. So but the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face. his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. Sleeping soundly means गहरी नींद में सोना and snoring means खर्राटे मारना. And best cushion, cushion जो होता है सोफे वगैरह पे बैठकर हाथ वगैरह रखने के लिए देखते हो ना, तकिया टाइप का होता है. यू कैन से तकिया आल्सो बस. तो एक तकिया सर के नीचे लगा लेते, एक तकिया पैर के नीचे लगा लेते, पापा आराम से सोते. मम्मी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ती हैं और खर्राटे मारते पापा. That was the trouble of that child. Okay बेटा,